In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews to your Shopify store using the Judge.me app. Being able to showcase genuine feedback from customers is a fantastic way to bolster trust and increase sales on your Shopify store. Let's dive into the process of setting this up. First things first, we need to install the Judge.me app. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and find the Apps section. From there, click on the Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type in Judge.me product reviews and look for the app. Once you find it, click the Add App or Install button. As you proceed with the installation, you'll need to give the necessary permissions so the app can access vital areas like your products and theme. It's an essential step to ensure the app functions properly on your store. Once the app is installed, Judge.me will typically prompt you to enable the review widget, often called the star ratings. This next part involves embedding it into your Shopify theme. Navigate to the online store section in your Shopify admin, then click on Themes and choose Customize. On the left sidebar, you should see something that says either App Embeds or Theme Settings/Sections, depending on the theme you're using. Toggle on the Judge.me core snippet, which is the review widget embed, and make sure to save these changes to your theme. This step is crucial for having the reviews visibly integrated into your store. For those using Online Store 2.0 themes, we'll need to add the review block directly to your product pages. While you're still in the theme customizer, select the product template you'd like to modify. You'll want to click the plus add section/block option. Under the apps category, locate the Judge.me review block and decide where you'd like the reviews to appear, whether that's just below the product description or another location that suits your design. Remember to hit save once you're done. Finally, let's configure settings within the Judge.me app dashboard, tailoring the review process to your store's needs. You'll want to set the timing for when review request emails are sent out. For example, you might choose to have these emails dispatched a certain number of days after an order has been fulfilled. Additionally, decide whether you want new reviews to display immediately on your store or if you'd prefer to approve them first. While you're at it, take a moment to adjust the widget's appearance, changing things like the text, colors, and overall style to better match your store's aesthetic. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Shopify store is now equipped with the power of customer reviews, leveraging real feedback to enhance shopper confidence and drive more sales. Thank you for watching and happy selling!